Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in the previous video we discussed the second sums, right? First and second sum of page number 37 SSC sets topic. Try this. Okay, in this video we are going to cover third sum and also fourth sum, guys. Okay, third sum and fourth sum. Okay, let's discuss with the third sum. Okay, what is given? P is a set of factors of 5 and Q is a set of factors of 25 and R is a set of factors of factor of 25. Okay, P is a set of factors of 5 and Q is a set of factors of 25 and R is a set of factor of 125. Then which of the following is false? Okay, ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? P అనేది P is a factor of 5, okay, and Q is a factor of 25 and R is a factor of 125. Okay, then we have to identify among the given four options which one is false. Okay, so what is given here? I have mentioned here P is a factor of 5, Q is a factor of 25, R is a factor of 125. Okay, we have to find which among is false. Among the four options, which among is false. Okay, first one I have taken, first option, P is substitute Q. So numbers to write. P at 8 kada 5 kada, 5 is a part of 25. Yes, 5 table 25 పోతుందా? Yes, it is true. 5 is a subset of 25. Now Q is a subset of R, second option. Q is a part of 20, in 25 table 125 will go. 25 is a factor 25 is a factor of 125. Yes, so it is true. Okay guys, now R is a part of P. What is R value here? 125. Is 125 will in 125 table 5 will go. In reverse case it is not possible, guys. Whatever we discuss in A and B, reverse case is not possible. Okay, only one way. So 125 is not a part of 5, whereas 5 is a part of 125, but 125 is not a part of 5. In 5 table 125 will go, but in 125 table 5 doesn't go. Okay, it's false. Okay, P is a part of R, fourth one. So what is P here? P is 5 and R is 125. In 5 table 125 will go. Yes, therefore P is a part of R. P is a subset of R. Okay, so understood. Please go through this sum once again. I have clearly mentioned all the points. Okay, in the next we'll discuss even the fourth sum. See guys, fourth sum, what is given? A is a set of prime numbers less than 10 and B is a set of odd numbers less than 10 and C is a set of even numbers less than 10. We have to find, they gave certain statements here. We have to identify which statement is true and which is false. Okay, so first write down in symbolic form set of prime numbers with less than 10. So what are prime numbers which are less than 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, and set what are the odd numbers which are less than 10? 3, 5, 7, 9. And what are the even numbers which are less than 10? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so we have to identify which statement is true. Okay. What is first one given? A is subset of B. See what I said, A elements 2, 3, 5, 7 and B is 3, 5, 7, 9. A is a part of B. A is a part of B అన్నప్పుడు A లో ఉండే ఎలిమెంట్స్ B లో కూడా ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ 2 అనేది లేదు కాబట్టి A is not a part. Okay guys, first one, A not a subset of B, false. Which statement or true? Okay, only true we have to write, guys. Second one, B is a subset of A. Is B is a part of A? కాదు. ఎందుకు అంటే 9 అనే ఎలిమెంట్ ఇందులో ఉందా, 2 అనే ఎలిమెంట్ ఇందులో ఇందులో మిస్ అవ్వడానికి కారణం ఏమున్నాయి? ఇందులో 9 లేదు. ఓకే, 2, 3, 5 ఇందులో 2 లేదు. ఓకే, సో set should be same, then only we can compare. Even B is not subset of A. A is subset of C, third one. A is a part of C, 2 is there, 2 is there, 3 is not there. Okay, ఒక్క ఎలిమెంట్ లేకుండా we can directly give it as, okay, fourth one. Is C is a part of A? Is C is a subset of A? C. 2 is there, 2 is there in set A, 4 is there, but 4 is not there. Therefore, set C is not a subset of A. Fifth one. Is B is a subset of C? Is B is a part of C? B లో ఏమున్నాయి 3 ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంది. సారీ C కదా, B లో C లో చూడండి 3 ఉందా, 3 లేదు ఇక్కడ ఎలిమెంట్. సో B is not a subset of C. Fifth one. Null set is a subset of A? Yes. Null set is a part of every set, guys. Therefore, null set is a part of A. Only this one is true. Remaining all are false, guys. So null set and itself is a part of every set. Okay, I hope you understand this sum, guys. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, in the next video we are going to continue the Venn diagrams and sums based on the Venn diagrams. Thank you.